Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Today I was actually out doing some yard work. Can't really see, I'm in the garage now. But package came in the mail I ordered for the old 300 here. The fog lights on these things are they're just horrible. I might as well have a candle in that thing and you just can't see nothing. And it looks terrible. And then you see all the newer models with the bright LEDs. So put an order, got on old eBay, got this product here. This is not the name of the product that I ordered when it came, but they are lights nonetheless. And they're the H11s. You can see it on there, or is it upside down? No, anyway. So I got these for 11 bucks off of eBay. I've looked at other places and like AutoZone and stuff, and I mean those things are like anywhere between 20 to 40 bucks a piece. Just for one. So I figured I'd try this little budget thing, see how they work. It can't do any worse. Can obviously do a lot better. So let's go ahead and just get these out. It shouldn't take long to pop a couple little screws and some push pins out and get to it. Okay, so hopefully all I really need to do is remove those three little 7mm screws, and then maybe just push off this one tab right there if we can get it to get in focus, but I'm at a bad angle right now. I'm just doing this on the ground. I don't see any reason for me to jack the car up, but anyway, remove that one. I doubt that I'll have to remove that, and I should just be able to reach in there and pull the old one out and put the new one in. Oh, finger. That's enough. Now I'm gonna take that off too. So let's try it. There we go. Look. And if you look, I'll get you right up in there. And it should just twist out. Yep, there it is. And there she is, guys. I don't know if you can get any of that, but looks like I got it. My hand's in the way, but yep, there it is. And then it just clips it out. So let's go ahead and remove this and get the other one in there. Oh, that was tough. All right. There she is. Let's get the other one. Trying not to get my fingerprints on them, but as you can see, these look like they're gonna be a lot brighter. Got the LEDs there, so let's hope we get her done. Snaps right back into place. Looks like it's in there. And just do what we did before. There we go. All right, it's in. Let's do the other side. Okay, let's see if this is a little bit better angle. So again, these are 7mm. I didn't have any ratchets that had 7mm, so I had to use this old, what was this, Popular Mechanics ratchet screwdriver type set that I had laying around. It had a 7mm, and unfortunately, with the vehicle down on the tires, I couldn't fit it underneath here, so I had to use some ramps to roll up on to give me some more of an angle to do it, but you know, we got her done. Makes it a little easier this way. Yeah, let's get the watch off, real. There she is. Boy. There we go. You guys are able to see that, but yeah, there it is again. Oh, its old glory. It's just a yellow, almost looks like it could just be a regular light bulb. Nah. So there it is once again. Pretty cool. Look at this. I don't know. Let's put it back in. And it's in. All right. Let's tighten all this stuff back up and have at it. All right. We're done. Just rolled off the ramp, turn them on, and see what they look like. I didn't do it before during the daytime, but I will do an after at night, since I did a pre-video of the night one. So anyway, let's do that and see what we got. Alright, I've packed it down the ramps, and I can see a massive difference already. They're basically white. Turn this fan off I got behind me. So they almost match the headlights. Perfect. That's all I was looking for. It's just a little bit just right. Kind of see them pointing there. And then you get over here. It's about the same. So nice. Will light up decent. I'm good with it. So we'll wait till night falls and we'll show you the finished product at night. Alright, so here we are with the original. Got the headlights on, but this is how weak these fog lamps are. They are just looking like ass. They're just like yellow. Everything else is white. As you can see, it's no bueno. It's weak as hell. So, let's see. Oh yeah, much better. That looks totally like the both are brand new. The bottom ones are yellow. These now are so much brighter.
can see you got some fog lamps. Very nice.
All right, guys, so there it is. That's how at least I changed the fog lamps on my Chrysler 300. It's a 2013. I've had it since 2015, so tells you how long I procrastinated to do this. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And here is the product again. I said earlier that this wasn't the actual product, but it was. It's just in a different box. But I'll go ahead and put it up on the thing down below, or try to get a picture for you on eBay. But it was like $10.99. So $11 for two of them. Can't beat that. It's a great deal, great price. So thanks again for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and as always, follow your obsession.